Hey, what's up guys? I want to do a quick review for you on this Sweet Life trimmer here. Most people use it for beards. I actually use it for my head. So just kind of to run you through everything about it. It comes with a quick cover on it. It has this little button on the bottom here that opens and shuts it so you can take all the parts out. You do have to be careful when you open it so you don't lose all the pieces or get them out of order. I read that in the instructions that they're kind of set how they're supposed to be. So if you take these out for cleaning, make sure you put them back in the same spot. So again, this was actually my first time using it, was yesterday or last night. So I went ahead and used it and just kind of shaved my whole head with it just to see how it worked out, because I do have coarse hair. So I wanted to see how well it could hold up to it. Typically, I use more of a premium type razor for that, but I will say I think this actually ended up working pretty good for a good value razor. It didn't get quite as low as like the premium that I used, but I was actually really impressed given the price point of this. I think I might have had to do maybe a couple extra passes than I would with the more expensive ones. And I mean like much more expensive. So I checked today, I didn't get any like hair bumps or anything, so I didn't have a bunch of pulling. The blades didn't seem to get dull. They say sharp getting through my hair, so that's always a plus, obviously. All right, so I want to give you just a quick up close look at that too, so you can see kind of the angles and stuff that you get there. Kind of when I was playing with it before I shaved my head, I was worried that it was gonna pinch my scalp, but just because of how it flexed, but it didn't at all. So that was nice. And it did get the contours and stuff in my head pretty good after a couple passes. So that was really nice to have. And then on the back, this is kind of just to line up. So I kind of use this to just cut back here the hair left over behind my ears and stuff that I couldn't get with the main part of the shaver. And it did a good job hitting that too. So that was nice to have and really surprised. Overall, it's a really lightweight razor. It did a good job, got my hair where I needed it. So I definitely think it's good for anybody looking for a good value razor. And I think even if you have finer hair than what my head hair would be, it's going to work even better for you. So I think this is definitely a good product for someone who's maybe currently using razors and wants to try using electric shavers. This is a good next step to just have the smaller investment to get in and try it, to have a good product to see if it works and if you like it at all. And I also think it's good for somebody who might want to travel, because it is a pretty low profile. Again, it recharges. You can take it with you, throw it in your bag, and it's not something that you're going to be like devastated if something happens to it, but still get a good clean cut out of it. I'd say if you're like looking for a good value, this all day did a really good job. Definitely a good product at a good value.